Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are reviewing Vanicure Essentials. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said, we are reviewing Vanicure Essentials. Now, Vanicure Essentials sent me this product to review so I can review with you guys, but I wanted to give you guys some more information. So this is going to be a little intimate video, so if you have children, just put this on your earbuds or AirPods or whatever you're listening to. This is going to be a little bit more private for us, for the ladies, so you know. All right, so Vanicure Essentials, this is what the packaging looks like here. And I think it's really, first impressions, this is like really good packaging. So I've been able to try this for a little over a week, but I wanted to show you guys how the package actually comes. So I love it. And this gives you an indication of what is inside the box. So this again is for your private area. And this is everything that's inside the package. And it gives you, it says beauty for the V. So we all know what we're talking about. All right, first impressions, the packaging alone, it looks very luxurious. I love it. So I gotta give them an A+ for packaging. Now inside the box, this is what the box looks like when you open up the package. So if you're ever looking for, sorry, some of the things fell out. If you're ever looking for something for your private area, this is something that's gonna be perfect. So I'll go through each item so you guys can take a look. And then we'll start off with the very first thing. So this right here is called Beauty Sheet. So this basically says cleanse, refresh, and pamper. So it's a towelette, and you use that, you know, to clean your area when you need that refresh. So this is perfect. Yeah, so there it is. And then the next items here are basically the gulp or the main products of this box here. So we're gonna start with the first thing here, and I'll give you guys a description and what my impressions were of it. So this says VV Cream Gentle Wash. So that's exactly what it means. It's a gentle wash for yourself. And it says a luxurious cream wash to maintain the pH balance of the V, and then renews and improves the beauty of your V. So how to use, it says you formulated with the delicate skin of the V only area, dampen the V area, pour a small amount of the V cream, gentle wash onto your hand, and then use this on your washcloth. So this one would be to clean yourself when you're taking a shower or whenever you need that quick refresh. And then this one is a VV cream. So this is a cream for your V. So that's what it looks like there. And then it says the only luxury beauty cream to enhance your V, renews and improves the beauty of the V. So how to use this one? It says, let's see, for best results, lightly towel dry the V area and apply a small amount, drop of V cream. Use daily as a part of your beauty regimen there. So that is that one. And then the next one we have is an exfoliator. Now I've never had an exfoliator for myself before, not even a cream. I usually just take a shower and I don't do anything to that area that's needed extra. So this was really different. Then the next thing I said, it's an exfoliator. So this is what it looks like, similar to the other creams there and the other products. So this one, it says you use for best results, lightly dampen the V area, apply the exfoliator in a small circular motion to remove dead skin cells. It says use 2 to 3 times a week. So you're not going to use this every time, but you can definitely use this to exfoliate that area of your body. Now, first impressions, the packaging was awesome when I opened this package back when I got it. I love the packaging of the package, the box and all that stuff. Now, when I use this, I used the exfoliator first for the first time, since that was the first time I was actually using an exfoliator. So that was something different. Now there's no scent, so I'm just gonna open up the cream, since that would probably be the best one that you guys can actually see. Just give you guys an idea of how the cream would look. So it's not scented at all really, and the cream goes on smooth. So first impressions, this was actually, and I'm smoothing it out myself because you can kind of get a better idea on how it smells. And again, it has like a clean scent to it, but not a fragrance to it, not like a floral scent. which I can't stand florals. So this for me was something totally new, something different. So if you're looking something just for yourself, I don't know about you guys, but right now I'm doing like a lot of spa at home time to myself, especially on the weekends. I definitely do like hair masks. So this is the time that I'm really diving deep into my skincare routine. So if you're looking for something totally different, just to do that spa at home, since a lot of us can't go out right now, this is definitely the perfect thing for you. So would I buy this myself? Yes, I definitely would. So there's actually a 10% off coupon code. So that's gonna be under the video if you guys wanna check that out. But so they're giving you guys that 10% off. So you can actually get 10% off, so a deal. So that's an added plus. But I don't know, have you guys tried any products like this before? Definitely let me know in the comments section below, because I'll be honest, I used to use just regular soap, but this definitely opened up my eyes to something totally different, so I can just take care of that area also. So with that being said, let me know what you guys think about products like this in the comments section below. If you've ever tried this product, definitely give me some feedback. If you use this for longer than a couple days or a couple weeks, let me know what you guys thought. So with that being said, you guys make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.